after breakfast. It was great, and we're just preparing to leave this place. Behind me is the sea and the beautiful mountain. What I want to say that is, yesterday I tried to take photos of the stars, but the conditions wasn't great because it was fog and it was a lot of lights, and the sun in here doesn't go down. But I tried. I didn't manage to do a lot of editing, so we'll see in the future. But I want to say one thing. What I heard when I taking photos, I hear that sound. I know that is familiar for me, but I in first thought, what is that? And then after several minutes, I remember that is whale. When whales pushing the air from his, I don't know what's that hole on his back. So I heard the whales, but I couldn't see because it was dark. So yeah, and it was somewhere in the sea. But I hear it. That's the story of the night. But right now we're preparing, and there's few minutes and we're leaving back on the road. So this tunnel is under the sea, and we're going down 5.8 meters. Ups and downs and corners, amazing. And we're staying here for a bit, like a day or so, to enjoy and restful. So yeah. One of the parking lots in the Atlantic Ocean Bridge, and behind me is one of the bridge. And yeah, today not so a lot of it did. I actually drive a little bit, then I drive back and forth in this road. Nice. And yeah, we just took some pictures and walking around and just chilling, because weather is not so sunny. It's big wind outside, bus, and yeah, maybe tomorrow we get the better weather, but yeah, I doubt it, because the forecast said that it will rain. We will see, and maybe if the wind will be much faster and stronger, I believe we could see bigger waves crash or bigger waves. So I think for now it's day is over, and we'll see next time. See ya!